come to Springdale because I know that my vehicle will be serviced by master mechanics and technicians.
Springdale has always been a very competent repair facility. And when you own classic cars, it's always good to know that you can take it in and get the job done right the first time.
I enjoy the service. It's close, it's local. I love to have that camaraderie with the staff behind the counter.
Find comfort in the fact that Springdale uses dependable name brand parts.
Oh, 100%. Yeah. I like I like that when I call, they kind of know who I am now.
I've been a customer here probably over 15 years.
Going on 7 years.
15 years at a minimum. Yep.
This location here in Prospect is perfect. It's less than 5 minutes from my home.
What car do you drive?
I drive a 1999 Lexus 400.
A Mini Cooper.
Oh, they keep her in tip-top shape.
Oil change. I brought some tires and wheels up to have mountain balanced. They've even done some advanced work, having some bearings pressed in.
They're full service. I mean, I've had transmission work done, I've had engine work done, I've had tune-ups, brake work, tire rotations, oil changes, obviously. So it's nice to be able to take it to a one-stop shop.
Oh, I definitely would recommend Springdale Automotive to my friends and co-workers. This guy behind me, Brian, he's a cut up and I love him.
So, well, I mean, what I loved was that they would text me directly and tell me, you know, what was happening with my car. And then they would send me kind of like a pictures and everything, details of what was happening with my car. So I just felt like I could trust them.
It's nice to not have to worry about a problem. You have a problem, you come here, you get a solution, and you know it's fixed.
Because everyone here is very friendly and professional. I do gravitate a lot toward Rick. Very funny guys. Love them.
So yeah, now I know everybody. Wonderful, man.